How to use check-in on your iPhone. If you're struggling to find out how to do it, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is go and find your message app. I'm going on a search option and searching for the message app. Now tap on the friend that you want to send your message to and tap on the plus icon which is on your left side of your screen. Scroll down and tap on more. As you can see, there's an option called check-in. Tap on check-in. Tap on continue and keep on continuing the button. Now tap on the option called full, which will include all the data from limited plus route, which you travel and location of the last iPhone. Tap on continue again. You're now ready to send your check-in to your friends. In this way, you can easily use check-in and send it to your friends. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.